Hey guys, I'm James, and you're watching behind the scenes of the Speed Freaks Builder Series, where we highlight just some of the possibilities of combining your vision with our parts. If you're just tuning in, we've partnered with the Prostate Cancer Foundation to give this gorgeous CX500 tracker away to raise awareness and donations to help throttle cancer. You'll definitely want to catch up on previous episodes, so subscribe to our channel and stick around for the playlist at the end of this video. There is still time to enter before September 30th, so your chance to win is just around the corner. Head to dimecitycycles.com today to secure any number of your $5 entries and pick up all the two-wheeled essentials needed to take advantage of the beautiful fall riding season. So the festively plump, non-gender binary persons haven't hit the high note just yet, but they are warming up, and it's definitely got us all in a frenzy. We've been smelling what's cooking for a long time, and it is finally time for a taste. Of course, the very nature of this way of life will see us tweaking and tuning in pursuit of perfection, probably until we roll it into the trailer. But for now, all major systems are a go, and it's time for a test fire. And we all know test fires precede test rides. Commencing countdown, engines on. Am I the only one with Space Oddity playing in my head? Anyways, you guys have been patient enough, let's animate this beast.
Right. So far so good. I'll do. Bit of smoking from the pipes, but
That'll do indeed.
obviously that's the heat wrap kind of setting.
Man, that Super Trap has such a distinctly off-road sound. It's so cool that you can tune it with the different removable discs. I gotta
fuel
say,
leaks.
that sounded pretty proper for an opposed twin.
Yeah, I mean, it obviously needs tuning and things, doesn't it? It sounds to me like it's bogging down on kind of like half throttle onwards, so I mean, that's just...
You know, man, I gotta say, it looks at least half as good as it sounds. Actually, it's the other way around. It's a pretty damn good looking bike, man. And honestly, for the first time, it's starting to settle in that I'm not eligible to win.
Neither am I. I'm gonna give it away.
And you know, eventually I'll have to say goodbye to it. You know, cue that single tier one, which really brings us to the main event, and you will not want to miss it. In our next episode, we'll be announcing the big winner of this rooster-tailing, cancer-crushing, pupil-dilating, two-wheel therapy session. So be sure to tune in next time. We'll see you right here in the Dime City Garage.